What's up, people? I'm Landan with LMR.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the center console from a 2005 to 2009 and 2010 to 2014 S197 Mustang. So there were two different console designs during the S197 era, and we're going to show the removal steps for the 2005 to 2009 and 2010 to 2014 center consoles in this video. For a complete list of tools and torque specs, please reference the video description. First, we're going to start with the 2005 to 2009 center console. For automatic cars, gently pry up on the shifter bezel with a non-marring tool to remove it. For manually equipped cars, remove the shifter boot from the console and then rotate the shift knob counterclockwise to remove it. Open the center console and remove the two rear Phillips head screws. Engage the parking brake. Separate the upper section of the console, starting in the back. At the front, grab one side at a time to release the two clips. Now you can fully remove the upper section. Remove the passenger side dash trim by pulling rearward to remove the clips. Do the same for the driver's side trim. Remove the felt liner from the bottom of the console. Loosen and remove the two 10mm nuts. Loosen and remove the two 7mm screws at the front of the console. From within the center opening of the console, disconnect any electrical connections. Lift the lower section over the e-brake handle, and then it can be set aside. Now let's go ahead and switch gears to the 2010 to 2014 cars. Start by engaging the parking brake. For manually equipped cars, rotate the shift knob counterclockwise to remove it. Remove any additional retainers or jam nuts if you have an aftermarket shifter like we do. For automatic cars, put the gear selector lever in neutral. Gently pry up on the shifter bezel with a non-marring tool to remove it. Open the lid on the center compartment. Pull up on the upper console section to dislodge the clips. Disconnect the traction, hazard, trunk switch electrical connector. Disconnect the two ambient light electrical connectors if equipped. Remove the parking brake boot from the lower section by lifting up to release the tabs. If equipped, disconnect the USB electrical connector. Disconnect the power point and audio jack electrical connectors. Pull outward on the console side panels to release the retaining clips. Loosen and remove the two 7mm screws at the front of the console. From within the center compartment, remove the mat if it's still in place. Ours was missing. Loosen and remove the two 10mm nuts. Lift the console up and position the parking brake boot through the opening. Tilt the rear of the console up to fully remove it. To reinstall either of the consoles, simply reverse the removal steps. After that, you're good to go. All right, folks, with any of our how-to videos, I hope this one has helped you out. That's all we have for today. So until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do. For all things 2005 to 2014 Mustang, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.